Remove skin tags. Home remedies to remove skin tags easily. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will share with you an effective remedy to remove skin tags at home. Skin tags are small, soft skin outgrowths that may appear on various parts of the body. They are mostly harmless and painless. Common skin tag locations are the neck, wrist, stomach, highlights, and underarms. You can use home remedies to get rid of them. We need to cut one onion into small pieces. Put them in a mixer jar and blend. Then squeeze out the juice. Onion juice has natural acidic, can help to get rid of the skin tags. Before going to bed, apply the juice on the skin tags. You may feel a little burning sensation on your skin, but it should not last more than a couple of minutes. I hope this remedy helped you too. Please share this video with your family and friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and make thumbs up for this video.